If I gotta be by myself this year, I will be.
I think the most important relationship that you need to have is low key a relationship with yourself.
I know how to be by myself. I know how to be by myself, bro. Like I've been by myself this whole time.
How you don't have a good relationship if you don't even have a good relationship with yourself first?
I've been by myself this whole time, bro. I'm cool with being by myself.
I had to step away from relationships in order to, you know what I'm saying, start to like learn myself.
If you don't love yourself, bro, nobody else gonna love you, bro. You know what I'm saying? So first off, it all start with self-love, bro.
How you gonna love somebody and you don't even love yourself first?
Because once people see how you love you, they want to love you.
I was low key insecure. I was judgmental. But when I stepped away from relationships and started working on myself, I feel like a better person for somebody else.
The most important relationship is the one with yourself.